Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the internship opportunity in our uh, company mysys.com, which is Mysys IT Services OPT Private Limited. So in this video, you are going to work on multiple projects. One of the project is adrevo.com. Adrevo.com is a classified website which was developed in PHP, Python, MySQL and HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So you will get the opportunity to work on as a classified portal developer. So you will get opportunity to work on as a developer, as a tester, as a UI designer, as a mobile app developer, and various roles which are available based on your requirement. This portal has a international visibility, and international cities are listed, and classifieds are listed in this portal. So next site which you are going to work is softrevo.com. Softwarerevo.com is a software listing site where worldwide software developers, they will submit their software into our site, and we will actually have the opportunity to review and give our review feedback by doing the testing. So you will have the opportunity to do manual testing of a particular software, and then write if there are any defects, you can inform them to fix them. If there are no defects, you will have the opportunity to write your review, and we will list your review into our website, and you will have the opportunity to work around 20 to 30 softwares, and you get an experience, and you can make it as a software tester, and claim it as a intern in the software testing manual. Which is couponsnagar.com, which is a worldwide we have a tie-up with worldwide top brands, and we have worldwide top brands, and tie-up with top brands, and we list those software products into our website, and we will communicate with all the users. So you will get an opportunity to work as a digital marketer or a web developer in this project, as well as also as a manual tester. This project is developed in PHP, Python, MySQL and JavaScript, CSS. So you will have the opportunity to work as a digital marketer, digital affiliate marketer, affiliate manager, and also as a web developer, mobile app developer. So multiple positions are open. If you are interested, you can come back. If you see, these are our tie-ups with worldwide brands. So you will get a good opportunity to get a top class experience on this one, and you will also get a certificate as a intern. So we have an internship for 6 months and 1 year and 3 months. So our next portal is couponsnagar.in. This portal is for Indian market, and we have a tie-up with multiple people, and multiple organizations, and so all these you will get as part of mysys.com. We are registered company as a private OPC private limited company, and for this internship you will get internship experience certificate from our company. We also have a product developments done in VC++, as I mentioned, NetChess and Net Rummy. So these are also, you will get an opportunity to work in these projects also, which we are planning to make it as a website also, like netchess.biz and netrummy.biz. So you all get an opportunity to work on our company, and you will get experience certificate also as an intern, and For any details or any internship opportunities, please write in your mail to submit@mysys.com, and we will give more details about our internship program. So we are ready to give 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year internship. And even if you want more than 1 year, also we can plan for a internship. And as I mentioned, you will get the opportunity to work in all these projects. Thank you.